Imanga itakha khovela mi nu izat pernita se engtin nge ngayang le Facebook hmuhnawm Mark Zuckerberg hi han enta ila
Mark, are the allegations
Mark
true?
an puna chahi adik rengem alien emo liking ini em tech genius house tak mai khovel thak danglam hlok thei thil a Siamchhuaktu khovel mi te manga ile huat ni bok chu Mark Zuckerberg nge hi ani
And it was my mistake, and I'm sorry.
a omdan china wangte po aniange robot dia ko a hlo fo chin boka a tap vengai lo ni mai na lang
New face filters on Instagram today. This is my favorite one so far.
Instagram a face filter thara omle ta kaladu pering ka share hei hi anupui Lemchan ania Asian Milarte hei pemlut te fanu ania ani ero hi chu mishing ani ti hairwala ni lo interview tina amitue tla de reng mai
My greatest hope is the resilience that I see in kids.
no panghar sa ka mu te hian ka khonga em china Mark le Priscilla te no pa hi in me viau thau si hian mi makti an hlo hle a
大家好，新年快乐。
mi ten an zo fo chin chu Priscilla hian he mi mak ve taka hian enge amu bik le engtin nge mangai thei zok
He just doesn't move his
a
face.
mel ti chimya lawina tong thei zuk nia he video I enzo meu chuan makti in I ang phwa ve nge yang le Mark Zuckerberg le Priscilla chante love story ngainatute tak kan soi haudo na ni til thadeu soi le lokang o Emmanuel English School boarding durtanga sangni somni pali achanga sangni somni panga academic session atan class 9 achanga class 12 day and hostel admission honme kani a lolut vela kan ti satlia lo ilolu nge na chan tur thadeu deu kan soite lange hey sap tongina inziaka sap sikul chhuak ang debin chair tral te ang healthy and peaceful environment boruak athiang thabok mo science lab thuak fin belnan 10 meter shooting range phung experience na tu thatak ani nge yang recreation hall outdoor and indoor games jam room ai nuam mai mayang chu spacious dormitory hostel room zau thatak po thak lel on building and campus anma ni mun ma fe kala ne zui extracurricular activities annual sports school king and queen crowning every year according to overall performance since 2023 ta hian mer that nge le khathiam poi mo zok ta angle engpo ni se aphur thot free special tuition for match subject ka rei pakhat le pakhat bel pakhat tingat ngat chi keiniang tan hle fa thadon tak keima puira uhe ka han lut nut mai don nge ni activities chal hlim tak atam si ni tinin picnic pa athiam bel nei reng ang mai kan ni don ni hi eile in shisel le nyang nga na munala ni zui hei wang tak hian kadu sak em te o he school a lut rual in lo ni emo in lo nei ve ani ngat chuan Emmanuel English School durtlang te hi an phone number kan tarlana hian in lo han be ve nge don nia ole kan thupuya let le to ang
Priscilla is the most important person in my life.
Zuckerberg chuan Priscilla hi kanuna mi poimo berani a tia asoi chuan mi poite chu annui dar tara Mark le Priscilla te hi khovel ram in anglo takami ania diktak chuan Facebook nei tunu ani thei hi mi makti atlinga achan chu anau panla hin she omna bak ashelawani
My grandparents were business people in Saigon. The war
kapile pute kha Saigon sumdong mi ania indona thlen nu in ti du da ania anti thei om chun kha ral le lamanun nuam zok an nei theinan an fa te longa chuan tira tuipuya thon chwa kha ani ti in Priscilla chuan asoi renga ral tan kan ti refugee an ni awangin anu le pa chuan college an kallawa ma se an fanu Priscilla zirna atan chuan thei top an chwa thung namdang mu sitna kara po Priscilla chu Harvard zir turin atling hlau maya ta chuan anun pum pui thak danglam tu tur mai ni lo khovel thak danglam tu tur chu atong ta ani
My best memory from Harvard is meeting Priscilla.
Harvard na kalua, kalom na berzo, Priscilla katong hi ane, diin Mark Zuckerberg na soe. Henghun level hiyan, prank app asyam wangin, roltar Mark zu aboy lea. No chua ni ayin rin wangin, at siyan depoin, inta na party anhuay hot sak vekto. Tichuan, party al chuan, tunge kalvei rin le. Priscilla, Mark nen, bathroom lo tumin anlaw in line ve ane.
And in what must be one of the all-time most romantic lines, I turned to her and said, I'm getting kicked out in 3 days, so we need to go on a date quickly.
Katusoy, romantic bertazi nga mi chu kasoy ta a. Alam ka hoya? Ni tumnuwa bin not swag don siya. In date vat kan nga yan ni, katiya. Diin, Zuckerberg na soy. Kati hun lai po kan, tech genius ani wangin, Mark chu Harvard kan alar sa le a. Chu wangin college kalai Priscilla suang to na sang tak nei tu chuan engtin nge anar phalte lulang ti chuan engtin nge ti tak.
And we had gone out to have hot chocolate and the date was going well. And then he said, I'm really enjoying this. Would you like to go watch a movie? I have a take-home midterm, but I'd rather do that instead.
Hot chocolate in turing kan chuaka. Date chu akal tluang le. Mark chuan, hemizo a hian movie and do nila iduem. Exam tour ka na iwangin, kasir pa ilawa, atia, diin Priscilla chuan asoy le a. Adu mel la uvya wani.
So I was like, huge red flag, this guy's not doing his homework? He's not gonna amount to anything.
Karil ruwa chuan, achadon lau top, le ka azir pa ilawa mo. Lo ting lau tursi ani hi, katia, diin Priscilla chuan asoy zomzela. Chu tak chu Markan Priscilla adu uzwal chanani a mifing falbik angin akom ve tlat lava atan chuan mi padang satlia ve mai kha ani ti chuan ani nail chhauzela.
Priscilla's here with me too. This is the first time that we've been back in the store. This is literally where I sat, and I had my little laptop here, and this is where I programmed Facebook.
Kadorm luya Priscilla nen kan let le a. Ta hiang ka chua, ka laptop ka honga, Facebook ka Siamchan tirvel ka ani, diin Mark chuan asoy. Chuta anin du chhaw ta zela. Priscilla chuan, pediatrician azir chwaka, Mark ero college abanga, Facebook asiam chunzom thung. Enge mochin nuwa chuan an cheng dun zoya, ti chuan arukin anin naya. Ti chuan an fanu alo pian khan, no pang chan pui ngai te tan a hausak na zong donate effect atum hialani.
Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg promising to give away 99% of his shares of the company to charity in a letter to his newborn daughter.
Facebook Siamchhuaktu Mark Zuckerberg chuan a company share 99% zet chu a fanuhming in charity ya donate atum mekani diin newsa an puang dum mai.
Having this child has made us think about all of the things that should be improved in the world for her whole generation.
Kan fanu hian kan mit divarin Kovel tana kan ti thei tamzia min sha chwati rani diin Mark chuan asoy hiala nima sela heng zong kara hian thil pakhat soi mai thei hau lawa om.
You probably have more haters than just about anyone in town.
I mean, I think once you reach a certain scale.
Tek lampanga chau lau po hotu inga hle inga sia tia interviewer ina zo chuan tiang te chu ani dan turalom diin Mark chuan achang film maka Mark le Priscilla te hi an har satlai bera anin tha tham ngai lawa mi te soisel na kara po anin kar akhi ve ngai lawani atira chang reng khan midang te in ngai zong ang an ni velo renga anin ngai zon tir khan kar khata voi khatche in motor ti dan te an siama Facebook bia lama mani tan minute zavel tal hun siam tur ti te ani bok chuta hepa hian an chung ko tan AI chian asiam chhuakani chumale
Fresh shirt.
Fire in the hole.
Hell yeah.
Gor fire on the chuak ro le. Acha Anupui motui theina liao light filter na asiam chuak boka. Hetia mi ten liking ang mai mangai na po nei law. Robot ang che ani anti hi chu. A oi omlau ta vek ani.
This from a human emotion back to absolute dead face.
Hetiang ang dewa, miten huat na trong kamle, soi chat na tin reng nen, an be lai po hian, Priscilla chuan akal san ngai don lau ti asya a. Atan bel turin a reng don ti ashetlatani. Ina emo, an na tho laya ka mu te hian. Engting lai pun zo na maktak tak adong renga. Adon sondan atiam ema. Kay chuan ka chuang tak zet. Mi te hian mu ve thei se ka ti chin ti in Priscilla chuan asoya.
I wish others could see that.
Mark Zuckerberg hi ihua emo iholo emo mi in ansoidan thu thang zong song pia lama hian mishing ve thawani ti sha ila.
What? I'm a dad now. This is what I listen to.
Nursery rhymes an ngai thak la yin Mark chuan. Enge pa ka ni to a. Tiang hlir hi ka ngai thachin ti in noi vur chungin asoya. Ni mangai na nei lau robot chu ani bek lau pasal thatak le pafel takani azak zoom maya ani anga mi ma adina zaktlat kantam ani Priscilla vethung kan en chuan Mark Zuckerberg kan nupui ani na baka ama hi michwan tak ani ve shima.
I'm trying to actually touch and change people's lives at the end of my time.
Kathi ma in mi tenun thak dang lamsak ka do a te in Priscilla chuan asoya. Mark po in mangai na hi anga le lutuka te in asoy hial renga. Anu pa hian an hausa hle po ani thaye nima sela an fa te chu tom ngai na an zirtir chin.
Told her Facebook and she thinks Facebook is a bookstore.
Facebook chungchang ka shila le khabuzor na emo tia te in Priscilla chuan afan chungchang asoy. Mark chuan zantin hian ka fanute an mutma in ka ompui china voina tunge ipui le ti in ka zot chin ti in asoy. Anin mangai na achang hian thil pakhat zir chwa tumila engpo lo theng se keima ania athalai ber mutlat tutur izong chawang u. Mark chuan Priscilla nena tang tur ni ta ila katan pui du om chune ni ti in asoy hiala shing nun hi chu a har sareng don ma se mangai na nen chuan engkim apal tang vek thayani. Milarte news hilo subscribe vela Milarte chanchin ngainatute tak tenen kanin mu fo don nia.